Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. Today, we will show you how to log in to MetaTrader 4 on macOS devices. To begin, launch the MetaTrader 4 application. If it is your first time opening the app, you will be prompted to log in. Click on Login to an existing account. Search for IS6 and pick either the live or demo servers, depending on your need. Enter your login credentials, which you should have received in your email. Once logged in, you will see your account information on the top left corner of the screen. Now let us quickly go over the MT4 interface. Quotes shows all available currency pairs and their real-time prices. Charts, located in the center of the screen, shows the candlestick graphs where you can analyze price movements using various tools and indicators. Click on Trade to view account details like balance and equity. Here, you can also view currently open trades. History. Access history for closed trades and transactions. Mailbox. Check Mailbox for communications from MetaTrader and IS6FX. News. Stay updated with economic news. Congratulations, you have successfully logged in to your MT4 account on your macOS device. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!